What is crackin', folks? I'm Dylan and you're watching H3 Humper. Hummer H3 onboard air. Hey there everybody, today I'm going to be putting an onboard air compressor on my H3 Hummer. Let's get to it. I'm using a compressor I've had in a couple of vehicles. Drilled a couple holes to mount the air compressor just to this metal structure over here. I've just got a bolt in the two top ones here and it's plenty sturdy. Ran the inlet tube through the firewall and it's right here. Now I'll run the line that goes to my air tank through the firewall as well. And I'll pull that through. Pushing the line underneath the center console plastic to hide it nicely. And my on-off switch, I ran that right up here. Got it in a nice discreet spot. Didn't have to drill a hole in any plastics or anything. This is just a metal mount. I have the switch wired from the pressure switch to the toggle switch to a switched 12-volt source. For power supply, I'm using a Viair pressure switch. I have a 40 amp inline fuse running to the positive terminal here. The red wire from the compressor running into the pressure switch, and then the grounds run to here, and it all seats really nicely in there. The installation of the Viair onboard air compressor was a success. The air works properly and I'm super hyped about it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.